Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Veronica and you're watching Beauties Crown. So guys, in today's video we are going to talk about new product which is going to be a revolutionary, and trust me, it will gonna give you a glimpse into what the future of skincare gonna look like. So beauties, let's get started. Let's get straight jump into the review video. So beauties, firstly let me show you the product. This is L'Oreal Paris Crystal Micro Essence. Here it is. So can you see it? It's super classy, premium, and I must say it's super sexy too. It looks so good and it is very easy, very convenient to use it. I recently got my hands on it and trust me, this is totally worth it. I'm going to tell you my honest review on it because I have tried it on myself and for the last 2 weeks I'm using it, and trust me, it's totally worth it. It's like penetrate up to 10 layers of skin, making your skin so glowy, so supple, so soft, and trust me, it's gonna brighten up your face. So friends, it's a demo time. Let me show you on my hand first. It's like a watery running liquid texture. Can you see? Beauties, this is like totally absorbing and it's gonna give you a sheer glow to your face, making your face very supple, glowy and radiant. And trust me beauties, I'm using it on myself and I'm so happy that I decided to buy it. So beauties, let me tell you the most important thing. Many of you asked me in my previous videos that please tell us the product which we're gonna absorb in our skin, and if you're having an oily skin, normal skin, dry skin, all type of skin beauties, you can easily go with it. This is suitable for all skin type. It doesn't matter if you're having acne prone skin, oily skin, normal skin, dry skin, combination skin, and beauties, if you're having that oily T-zone like me, I have a combination skin. Still, I'm using it and trust me, I just love it. So beauties, any skin type people, if you're having any skin, just go with it. And trust me, this is gonna give a drastic change on your face. So beauties, this crystal micro essence comes in 3 sizes. The first one is 22 ml which is for rupees 250. The second one is 65 ml which is for rupees 799, and the last one, which is this one, comes in 130 ml and the price is 1400. So beauties, I think you should go with the 22 ml firstly because you will gonna figure it out if you're gonna suit it or not, and then if it's gonna work for you, then just jump it strictly to 130 ml and trust me, you will gonna love it. So friends, it's a demo time. Let me show you by applying it on myself that how it looks, how amazingly it absorbs in your face and everything, and how glowy it will gonna make my face. Okay, so here I'm taking few drops of it. Beauties, one more thing, always use your finger, not go with that cotton pads or something like that. Always use your finger to apply it on your face. So beauties, can you see it absorbs like totally magic on my skin. It's like amazing, it's too good. It just made my skin so glowy. Can you see the glow on my face? It's like totally radiant and I'm just loving it. It's like so supple, so soft, and literally just soak into my skin, and as it says, it penetrates to the 10 layers of your skin, and really it does that. I'm so amazed with this product, and I'm like, oh my goodness, this product is really amazing. I'm totally in love with it and this is like too good. And guys, you won't believe, I recommend this to my mom, and like she was using it from last 1 week and she was just like, my skin has become so good. It's also like it will gonna make your skin so fresh, so refreshing, so best for summers, as we all know summer is on the way. So for the summer's beauties, this one is really gonna be work like amazingly because this is non-greasy, non-oily, non-sticky, and this is like totally absorbs into your skin, making your face so glowy, so supple, so radiant and so brightened. So beauties, I'm just recommending you, just go give it a try and trust me, you won't regret it. I'm repeating my words, seriously, you will not going to regret it. So beauties, that's all. Hope you have liked this review of L'Oreal Paris, and I'm sure you are going to buy it, this crystal micro essence. Just go for it beauties and try it, and trust me, you will never gonna regret it. So beauties, please subscribe my channel. Do follow me on Instagram. If you have any requested video, just comment it in the comment section. And beauties, one more thing, if you have any queries regarding this product, just comment it and I'm surely gonna answer it for you guys. Please subscribe my channel. Do follow me on Instagram. See you in my next video. Bye and take care.